Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a handyman here in New York City. When to replace aluminum siding? Aluminum siding is a very versatile and durable home siding material. In the old days when they first made it, it was just flat, smooth aluminum, and it kind of looked a little bit prefab, if you will. But they've recently given it a little texture, a little wood grain look to it, which I think was probably as a result of pressure from the vinyl siding business, because they had a lot more ability to mimic wood when they came up with the PVC. But sometimes you just have to replace a piece of aluminum siding. Now, it's not going to rust over the years, as it's not a ferrous metal like a steel where it's going to actually decay. But it can get oxidized, and there's a chalky dust that forms on it, but that can usually be cleaned off. But when to replace it is if it's been struck by something, or it's been taken a lot of abuse over the years. It may have gotten wrinkled or dented to a point where it's so unattractive you just can't keep repairing it. So you can cut out just that section of the aluminum siding and replace just that piece. You don't have to do the entire wall. You don't have to do the entire house. But some people like the look of aluminum siding. Some people like the look of a vinyl siding or PVC siding. So it's really just a matter of knowing what the different materials do and how they react and how they interact with what you want to do. That's going to determine whether or not you're going to want it. Maybe you just bought a house and it's got aluminum siding and you don't want it on there. So you take it down, put on wood clapboard, or you can do vinyl, whatever you want. It's really up to you.